Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today.
The World Bank unveils a historic $40 billion investment plan for Pakistan, focusing on education, healthcare, and clean energy over the next decade, a massive boost for our nation's development. Pakistan and Turkey are deepening defense cooperation with plans to integrate Turkish ALP-300G long-range radar and HISAR air defense systems, a significant step towards enhanced regional security. Pakistani naval ships have visited Kuwait and Iraq, conducting joint exercises to strengthen maritime cooperation and regional stability, a proud moment showcasing our naval diplomacy. Pakistan pioneers weather modification. Utilizing locally developed cloud seeding technology, the nation combats smog and explores strategic applications, a significant leap in environmental and defense capabilities. Pakistan announces an 18% increase in its defense budget, raising it to over 2.5 trillion rupees for the 2025-26 fiscal year. This move aims to enhance military capabilities and address regional security challenges. You're tuned into Pakistangeo Defence Updates, delivering exclusive coverage of Pakistan's defense posture and global military affairs. Subscribe for daily briefings and insight. Pakistan and India are close to completing the reduction of troops along their shared border, aiming to restore military levels to those before the April 2025 conflict. General Sahir Shamshad Mirza, Pakistan's chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, confirmed the progress but cautioned about the increased risk of future escalations due to the lack of structured crisis management mechanisms. In a recent address at the International Conference on Glaciers Preservation in Dushanbe, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif strongly condemned India's unilateral suspension of the Indus Waters Treaty. He emphasized that such actions jeopardize millions of lives and constitute a weaponization of water. Sharif declared that Pakistan will not allow this red line to be crossed, highlighting the critical importance of water security and regional cooperation. The Prime Minister called upon the international community to recognize the gravity of the situation and to support efforts in preserving vital water-sharing agreements. India's defense exports have soared to a record $2.6 billion in the fiscal year 2023 to 2025, with the United States, France, and Armenia emerging as the top three importers. The U.S. primarily imports aircraft and helicopter components manufactured by Indian firms for global defense majors like Boeing and Lockheed Martin. France's imports include software and electronic equipment, while Armenia has acquired complete weapon systems such as ATAGS artillery guns, Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launchers, and Swathi weapon locating radars. This significant growth underscores India's expanding role in the global defense market and its commitment to strengthening indigenous manufacturing capabilities. The Pakistan Air Force is advancing its aerial combat capabilities with the integration of the state-of-the-art Dash-X helmet-mounted display system. This cutting-edge technology allows pilots to aim weapons and control sensors simply by looking at the target, significantly enhancing situational awareness and reaction time. The Dash-X system is being deployed across various aircraft, including the JF-17 Block 3, marking a significant step in modernizing the PAF's operational readiness. This move underscores Pakistan's commitment to equipping its pilots with advanced tools to maintain air superiority in the region. Former Foreign Minister Bilawal-led has arrived in New York, heading a high-level Pakistani delegation to present Pakistan's perspective on recent tensions with India. The delegation, comprising senior political and diplomatic figures, is set to meet with UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres, the President of the UN General Assembly, and members of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Following engagements in New York, the team will proceed to Washington, D.C. on June 3rd to hold discussions with U.S. officials, including members of Congress and think tanks, focusing on bilateral relations and regional security concerns. This diplomatic initiative underscores Pakistan's commitment to peaceful resolution and proactive engagement with international stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.